Welcome to our step-by-step guide on how to sublimate a phone case. Let's dive in. First, design your artwork using graphic design software like Adobe Photoshop. Make sure your artwork size matches the phone case dimensions. Print your artwork onto sublimation paper using a compatible sublimation printer with sublimation ink, all available on sublishop.co.uk. Don't forget to mirror the design. Peel back the plastic from the metal plate. Now, align your printed transfer onto the blank phone case, ensuring it covers the entire surface. Tape down one edge. Preheat your heat press machine to the recommended temperature and time settings for your specific phone case material. In this instance, I'm setting it to 80 seconds at 180 degrees. Carefully place the phone case with the transfer facing down onto the heat press. A helpful tip: place a piece of plain scrap paper on top to protect the press. Close the heat press and apply even pressure. Once the timer goes off, carefully lift the heat press and remove the phone case. Gently peel off the sublimation paper to reveal your stunning custom design. Peel off the double-sided plastic. Line up the metal plate. Press down firmly. Congratulations, you've successfully sublimated your very own custom phone case. For more sublimation inspiration and supplies, visit sublishop.co.uk.